Yeah, so many mosquitoes. I've never seen mosquitoes like this in my life. Golly. Man. Oh, that is sick. Oh, there's UJ trying to pump off the water still from the storm. God, this thing is dry. You never came to the camper. You've seen it before, you wouldn't recognize it.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Huh? Oh, you won't believe this. This is horrible. Jesus Christ. What a bummer. Oh my God. Oh boy, I tell you what. This was a bedroom. And this was a bathroom. Huh. See daylight through the roof. Unbelievable. Whew. Bedroom's all screwed up to no end. Oh my God. What a bummer. There's Jay getting the water pumped off. Jean-Luc, you don't recognize the place, huh, Boo? I don't either. It's sickening. It really is. The grotto is gone. Sad to see. Completely lost. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a mess. Jesus. This fence is all gone. God. About 6 inches of mud that got washed up here. You can't even walk to the little chapel. It's facing the wrong way now. Completely facing in a different direction. I think it used to be right there. I'm thinking. Oh God, this is ugly. Jay said he's been pumping for 2 weeks to get this water off and still full. This was the end of his property. Used to be fence all right here. All gone. Never have an Easter over here again. How sad.
Okay.
as I can.
This is a business right here. How's the business? I don't know what it is.
That's the school.
It's a school.
First part of the school. Middle school, yeah.
Karen
Elementary school.
Elementary School.
Good.
Jesus, look at the town. This is all the town. Jesus, that's a store. Yeah.
Just you short and short.
Is that a car? What was that? Wasn't that a store right there too? Look at that store. That was a store. Jesus. Welding. This was the pharmacy. What the FEMA? Truck upside down. That was the road to Monkey Island. Road closed. There's the upside down vehicle. Upside, there's another truck on the side of the road. There's another big truck on the side of the road. We're coming up upon the ferry, huh? Pretty soon we'll see the ferry. There's a big boat up on the dock. Big boat. This is where all the Here's the ferry. Where is the ferry? It's there. Yeah, it's there. There's a big boat on land. We're following the police department. That's the big hose. And here's a road. That was the first road, and then we turned on the second road. And we turned on that road. Jesus, go past this. Is this the back of ours or the front of ours? I'm lost. Daddy said they have a boat trailer right there. Daddy said they had a back. Oh, a bathtub. You ran over something. A bathtub at yours, wherever yours was. Look at this tractor right here. phone number on it, no. Yeah, they had a phone number on there.
So we wouldn't have a phone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, we're going to stick like that. Bathtub. There's a toilet, yeah. And you sure it's this road? No telling where that came from. Look at that, how it dug holes underneath the camps. There was an upstairs camp in here. Yeah. There, yeah. You think that's it? You think that's it? Dave Broussard. Yeah, Dave Broussard. It has Dave Broussard. Dave Broussard's camp right here. All that's left is a hole. Have an alligator right there, and back there was the bathroom. Alligator right here.
Where did that come from?
I don't know, it's not ours. And there's the bathroom where the toilet was. That was the back room. Where the fishing string. That's where the, what that was, she said, on the yard. Remember how they had this thing on the yard? That cistern cover, the metal cover?
Yep.
Right next door, that's the La Chasse's. That's their foundation. And back there, that's where the Landrys were. Back there. And then the wash house was back there on the little slab. And they had a trailer. There's Ricky McKenna. There's Lynn over there. Came ride with us all the way over here. We weren't supposed to be coming here. That's where these camps in the front were. No more.
Yep. That was.
This was this old red camp.
Yep. What's left of it. Nothing but destruction. Sickening. Oh Lord. That'll be the last time I ever come here. Three-point hitch blade. Not a pretty sight. Foot deep hole. tackle box, what's left of it. And somebody passed through it already. Nothing left. Hair dryer. One last shot before I leave. Here's to the backside. That's what's left of the shower, bathroom. This was the bedroom. Hard to believe this is gone. All of it. There's a boundary line right there. It's the Landry's camp. Used to be right there. This is where the shed was. More shed. They're gonna put a bulldozer to this place before too long. Black & Decker. Handsaw. I don't know who that was for. Light bulb. Probably off screen door, I guess. Maybe somebody else's. Who knows? It's just riding down the highway, filming what's left. There's a lawnmower upside down. Oh boy, I tell you. More water still here from the storm. Old car, what's left of it. Sure, a Jeep car in the ditch.
Air conditioners all over the place.
Oh, ice crusher.
Threw his cars upside down.
Looks worse than a damn war zone. They're starting to do some work here. Store was back in that area somewhere in Car Wash.